Nikora koretwo no horo wa GOONS na njira mwana muno mareyumiritie kuria murungano-ini wa Justice for Albert Ojwang. Na at this time mareyumiririe ginya mena thibu, mite ya macembe na nyahunyo na maundu macio mothe, and it was clear ni kuronekanaga wega aya ni andu mabangitwo, there are people who are funded, ni andu yani ni gakurufu gabangitwo ni andu. On top of that turakorwo tukiona gang leader Gunzi hari akeyumiria na kuga what they are coming to do in town, what their assignment is, na hado bado turakora tukiona video after wira mathiete hari Jaya City Hall na gukoro mage praise their leader allegedly. Now due to this story ndirakorirwo ngirora uhoro wa gangs na uria gukoretwo gugithii na mbere, na case study ria ndirakorirwo ngioya ni gang ya Nakoro Kenya. And guess what? Drakorirwo ngithikiriria direct from the horse's mouth the leader wa gang yo. Gang ria Drakorirwo ngeriria thaici ni Mungiki. Mungiki yari na leaders eri, that is Maina Jenga na NDURA Waruingi. NDURA Waruingi luckily ni arakorwo akianalyze uhoro uyu wa Mungiki and the new gang that is rising in Nairobi and the effects na how it is going to impact even the country's economy na maundu macio mothe. I think the interview is on YouTube. NDURA Waruingi arakorwo akiagina kuga ati riria manjagia Mungiki the first time riria manjiria gukorwo makiona no mone besha mathire State House na makiheo 10 million ni Moi nigetha makorwo magithondeka mucemanio na makorwo makiuga ati after Moi marenda a young leader. At that time they were trying to groom Uhuru Kenyatta and they were totally against Moi Kibaki, and at that time after that million ni makorwo makigia na maundu maingi muno mareka. Leaders started giving them money to fund either certain campaigns, certain projects, and the gang grew bigger and the gang grew stronger and the gang started having structures. Na gang iyo igikorwo ginya na magoti magutua mashira mao na magikorwo ginya mena cells cia detain adu, magikorwo nio mara control stage base ciothe, manyumba marako nio mara supply mahiga na waga gukorwo ki mahuthira kuruta mawira macio, then you'll have it rough. That gang grew big to a point that it became a threat, and it became a threat head area. The leaders maremiro gukorwo makiriha that group, and that group turned against the leaders, and that is where the problem is. Kuringana na NDURA Waruingi arauga ati gang ino turonire na macembe tauni-ini ya Nairobi kwa hota gukorwo ati after some time it's going to be a very lethal group. Agikompare uhoro ucio wothe na kira happen kuri Haiti. Agikono rikana wega a statement ria opposition mararekereirie muthenya wa 18th ironanagia ati borithi aria marathiete kuri Haiti, they were undergoing some certain training and some things there to learn how to handle maundu tamasio, because it was being expected that it is going to happen in Kenya. Na koguo NDURA Waruingi akauga ati this is danger coming. Hediria gang ici cikanjia gukorwo na structures already, ni muona ati no maigira street na makorwo mage collaborate na thigari na makorwo mage take over hediria makaga kurihwo kana hediria mirango ya besha ikahingika na magakorwo already ni macamete besha, already mena structures, already ni moi how to attack. It is going to be tough hari bururi wa Kenya, just the way it turned out for Mungiki.
You know, I was once a Mungiki leader. I know what this can roll out to be, more especially when we have a raw kind of system, because we became so powerful during the Moi days, because we were supported by politicians, and somehow Moi also supported us. Besides that, we were being supported by a politician from the Kikuyu land. And there's a time that we went back to Moi side, and Moi now started giving us money, sponsoring our activities. When Uhuru was to become the president, he was a candidate. Moi called me to State House with Maina Jenga and 12 others. And we were given 10 million to go and hold a political rally in Thika, Christina Garden. For the first time, the DC then gave us protection, the police gave us protection, giving Mungiki protection, when everybody was scared of Mungiki.
Yeah.
And that is the day I announced and said, in Kenya we no longer need old people to lead this nation. We need young people. Now we were sent just to prepare for the introduction of announcement of Uhuru Kenyatta. We were not allowed, we were told not to mention the name, but say, we the young people, then we were young people. We the young people, we are tired of the old people. If Moi is going, Moi must go with the old. Now we were targeting Kibaki. Moi must go with
second case study area NDURA Waruingi akorirwo akiheana haria ni kuria South Sudan. South Sudan kwajirie na leader wetagwo El Bashir ari na GOONS. Leader wa GOONS icio etagwo Hemedi thaici niwe leader wa RSF. Todo wokire ogwo makihitania na El Bashir, their leader, na riu Hemedi niwe leader wa GOONS, and they have all the structures of how to attack and how to manage everything. And that is how mahitanire na wekorona a rival group. Kogo, it is the same thing. Now do more. Could this at some day be like a parallel military being formed at instead ya thigari ciume kuratumwo GOONS, tondu already there are instructors that cihana tari thigari. This time turamonire na Thibo na Nyahunyo. How about next time tumone na more advanced weapons? How about that? What are we going to do when it comes to that point? Things are going to be tough. Ndio imoni makumegi uhoro uyu na maudu maya ma GOONS tondu ni maudu maratuma mundu aigue uru muno. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story. Is this the Nairobi that we have been wanting? Is this the Kenya that we have been wanting? Are these the leaders that we have been wanting? Is this the leadership that we have been wanting? Yo,
President amefika kwa komanda wa maGOONS wale Songo 3. Watu kwa hapa. Hamwezi tutishia maisha sisi. Sasa watu hapa tunazunguka hii Nairobi. Nairobi tunazunguka. Tutafunga entrance zote za na stage zote tutafunga mali mnaingilia na hizo ubasi. Ninyi kwani kina nani nyinyi? Ati mnasoma mpate kama hizo TikTok tunasema watu wafungue lomi hapa. Kuonyesha vitu kubwa na zimechongwa. Hazina mzizi na zimechongwa. Tena kina nyambura kina shiko kina ndunge